Even dreams start fading too. I am leaving, tell me what to do. I can feel it slipping away. Treading water, yeah, what's the use? I just hate playing these games. Slow drip soft in the light. Come on, meet me at the poolside. Late July.
So we're currently waiting for to board our flight right now. It's 7:23.
Christchurch, let's go.
So we finally boarded the plane. We are now, I think myself and Roxanne, we are quite lucky that we managed to get premium economy. So we have quite a bit of space heading to Christchurch. It's champagne. And you also get noise cancellation headphones, which is quite cool. You get bottled water, and then you have lights over here, and nice really premium economy. What you get is book the cook. I think I can confirm, but previously it was something that's only available for business class, and then now they have actually made it available for premium economy as well. So Rox booked the bak chor mee. And then while I got the nasi lemak, I'm gonna start to unpack. It's all in front of me right now. It's over here.
This is special SG60.
And yeah, wow, SG60. So lucky for us. Well, book the coke in the future for your premium economy. The thing is that our bread is hot. So I haven't had a hot bread from SQ for a very long time. Wow, it's pretty nice. With the pork butter, it's gonna be an amazing meal. Now I'm gonna try the rice of the nasi lemak. Let's try. Oh, that looks good. I'll do that later.
Okay, so commentary on the bak chor mee. So I tried a piece of the pork, and it's actually quite porky. Still delicious, but a little porky. So just take note. It smells amazing. It has a little bit of a vinegar smell. Let me taste it. Ooh, pretty good. Pretty good for an airline meal, I would say. Overall, we are really glad that we booked a meal in advance for the cook. Pretty good. Right, remember to do it, guys.
It's me. It's about, I think, 11 o'clock right now in Singapore. And I think we have about maybe 6 more hours to go. Even though I said that this is a cancellation headphone, I can barely hear myself talking, but I can still definitely hear the baby start crying in the cabin. So there are a total of maybe 4 or 5 babies. They're spotted, they're like infant babies. Well, we're here now in New Zealand. Finally landed after 9 hours of our flight, 9.5 hours actually. Sky is a bit gloomy, a lot of clouds. The clouds look really, really nice, blue skies all around. Yeah, we are waiting for our shuttle to pick us up. I booked a rental car company called Go Rentals. It's online rental. I just checked, they didn't have a booth over here. It's usually the big brands like Avis, Budget Cars and so on. So everything's done, checked in online for Go Rental. By the time when you pick up a bag, you could just go to the app and just click on request a shuttle and shuttle come and pick you up. Hi. So we are now driving on and making our way down to our first stop, which is Lake Tekapo. We are actually stopping by Ashburton. I think that's the place we're going to. There's a Woolies over there, Woolworths.
Yes.
And I guess we can get stock up with our coffee and everything inside there. That's what we're gonna be doing. Yeah, and look at the beautiful scenery of this country, New Zealand. South Island.
And there's one thing, they do not provide the holder, for the phone holder for the GPS.
Yeah.
So there's something to note.
So basically I'm looking down to where my GPS is.
They did say in the safety video that the passenger is supposed to navigate for the driver, but we all know my navigation skills cannot be trusted, so not a great idea.
So this is Ashburton. We took a little short break around here. I'm driving for the past hour. There is choice of Woolworths and Cooperland. Yeah, Cooperland is probably a place for you to get some bread and coffee, and then Woolworths to get your groceries for your dinner tonight. So in Woolies, this is Woolworths. It's one of our favorite bigger chain of like supermarket that we like to visit in Australia and in New Zealand. It's big, right? So you can get everything. And in such cold weather, the standard craving that we always get would be, Shin Ramyeon, Korean noodles, and so on.
Our grocery haul. We've got $100 worth of groceries here. Don't ask us why there's Shin Ramyeon. It is what it is.
Thought that I would be a bit at peace by now. Yeah, you're lying in the shadows of my room. Oh, always heard your voice, I forget the sound now. You're awfully quiet while I cry out for you. Oh, I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. But you take the time away to clear your head out. But I had so much to say, and you let me get away still. Well, I still cry, I won't lie, but you'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us a try.
So this is the room that we're staying in tonight. The first night we are in Lake Tekapo. This is Peppers Bluewater. It's the lake view villa that we have. We have a small little table, a living room, and a kitchen over here. So the kitchen utensils, utilities includes the cooking hood, microwave, this fridge, and also a dishwasher just below. Oh, an oven as well, not to miss that out. Then the washing area will be here in the middle of the island. Then we have a TV, a sofa area, and then the view outside. So in the lake view room, you get the beauty of the lake, right? We are just by the main road. You will be able to see the beautiful view of Lake Tekapo with the snow-capped mountains at the back. Probably gonna hear that a lot, but it's my first time in Southern Alps. It's the reason why we enjoy this view a lot. So moving around back to the room. In the room, you'll be able to see, I guess standard usual. You have a big bed. I think it's a king-size bed. There is a heater or an air conditioning. And then again, to the view of Lake Tekapo. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, it's the first view you're going to see. Do remember to kind of close your curtain when you sleep. And then lastly is the view of the toilet. They have a bathtub, which is quite nice. Okay, then the usual amenities and the shower. Perfect. So in Lake Tekapo, there is a famous Church of the Good Shepherd. So this is the inside of the Church of Good Shepherd. I think they have an amazing view, which is the backdrop of Lake Tekapo with the snow-capped mountains and everything. It's a hot sunny day. No, it's actually a cold sunny day. It's not even hot at all. A few moments later, we are making dinner. I think we're really tired and we haven't barely slept an hour to 2 hours. There were baby crying on board of the plane. You would have seen it. So yeah, we're gonna make our dinner. I know, a lot of meat and everything. Okay. So, and then we go
End product, the masterpiece. We've got 3 steaks and a pot full of delicious shin ramen. Dinner for first night in New Zealand.